Hello and welcome to the In Focus series of Drishti IS. I'm Ritu and today's session is about US aid and what US aid gives in India. So as you already know that after the election of Trump as a president of America, he has been taking many decisions and which has a greater impact on India also because he is taking so much decision on economic front, so it's very important to discuss that how his decisions are impacting the India. Also, how bilateral relation between US and India will go for the future. So coming to the points of discussion part. So first of all, we are going to discuss the news. Then we are going to discuss about the US aid contribution to India. Then recent US aid funding trends, impact of funding cuts, and then legal battle over foreign aid. And then we are going to discuss about practice question for prelims. Before that, you have to like, share, and subscribe to this TI's channel. Moving to the news part. So the news is that there was a declaration by Trump that they are going to cut the foreign aid and including the US aid to India also. And this has been received as a shocking for many countries, including India also, because many, what you can say, health facilities of India are dependent on the US aid. Also, the African countries will be largely affected because of such decisions. So this news which we are going to cover up in today's session, that here, executive order titled Reevaluating and Realigning United States Foreign Aid to End Foreign Aid and All But Disband the US Agency for International Development. So this is the news which we are going to cover up. Now we are going to discuss. So here we are going to discuss about the US aid's contribution to India. So US aid has been a major contributor to health and population related projects in India. Since 2001, US aid has disbursed $2.8 billion in official development assistance to India. In 2022, US aid ranked fourth among India's official development assistance providers after Japan, EU, and Germany. So overall, if you see that what is the contribution of US aid into different sectors of India, then we can see the contribution is huge. And if Donald Trump is making such kind of declaration that all the foreign aid should be cut, then this will be what you can say a problematic for India also and setback for India also. And from this onwards, the bilateral relation and the cordial relation which we are running to the US will also impact it. So here we'll discuss about the since 2022 to 2024, what was the trend. So in 2022, $228 million total. So this is the total, and out of $228 million, $180 million for health, including $120 million for COVID-19. So here we can see that how US has helped us in the COVID-19 also. Then in 2023, here we can see $175 million total, $120 million for health, including $54 million for COVID-19, and 2024, $151 million total as of December, and $80 million for health, including 16 million for COVID-19. So what are the focus areas we have? Basic health, maternal and child health, HIV AIDS, and environmental protection. So these are the area. So here we can see that when US will end the foreign aid to India, the health sector of India will be largely impacted. So coming to the discussion part, impact of funding cuts. So Trump administration's cuts aimed at reducing foreign aid impacting US aid supported programs in developing countries including India, and health sector impact. As you already know that we had discussed the data shows that there will be a huge impact on our health sector. So TB awareness programs in Karnataka, Telangana, Bihar, Assam, and shutting down $7 million funding cut. So here we can see that there will be a huge impact on TB awareness program, then HIV AIDS program under PEPFAR at risk, potentially causing loss of lives, and global impact. Countries like Zambia face urgent shortage in HIV medication. So here we can see that our health will be largely impacted, and particularly HIV AIDS, and here TB will be largely impacted. So this is the impact we have of the health. Now here we'll discuss about the legal battle over the foreign aid. So this matter has been reached to the US federal court, and court state that Trump's order to halt all foreign aid, and US Supreme Court verdict rejected the government's appeal to cancel the stay. And US aid funding cuts pose serious challenges to the healthcare facilities across the world, especially in developing countries and least developed countries, and it will largely affect the maternal health, TB awareness program, environmental programs. So this will be a huge setback for the developing countries, including India. Now we are going to discuss about the practice question for prelims. What was the primary focus of US aid funding in India between 2022 to 2024? Infrastructure development, defense partnership, health and population programs, renewable energy. So this is very easy one. You can answer into the comment section. So what is the conclusion of this whole discussion? The conclusion of this whole discussion is that if we'll talk about US-India relationship, then India is largely dependent on US for its foreign aid, especially on the health sector. And if US will stay a foreign aid, then it will be impact on India's health sector. So this is a very thing. Now, what would be the solution for India? So the solution for India is that India had to generate its own funds, and it's better to not get dependent on other countries. And if India is not able to generate its own fund, then India has to find a new partner and rely on other sources so that the health of the people of India could not be impacted. So this is the concluding remarks, and this is the question. You can answer into the comment section. So that's it for today's session. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask me to the comment section. As you already know that Holi sale is coming, and on the occasion of Holi, we have huge 60% discount on all online courses. So call on to the number 87501 87501. So do check this number and call. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.